New home, new view. 10% off for new homeowners. Just moved into your dream home? Congratulations. Now it's time to make it truly yours, starting with beautiful custom window treatments installed by the experienced professionals at Camacho Blinds. We're excited to welcome new homeowners in the growing communities of Avenir, Westlake, Arden, and beyond, with an exclusive 10% discount on all window treatments. From plantation shutters to custom shades and blinds, we'll help you find the perfect fit for your new space. Expert craftsmanship. Our skilled professionals ensure a seamless, high-quality installation. Top brand products. We work with the best materials to bring style, durability, and functionality to your home. Trusted and experienced. With years of expertise, our team delivers quality you can trust and confidence you deserve. Your home deserves the best, and Camacho Blinds is here to make sure you get it. Upgrade your windows with confidence. Our pros have you covered. Serving Avenir, Westlake, Arden, and surrounding areas. DM or call or visit our website on CamachoBlinds.com today to claim your 10% new homeowner discount.